Hello everybody, my name is Odis and we are here at the Burpee Museum of Natural History. We're here to check out their new Reptiles and Amphibians exhibit. It is a mysterious and deadly world. Wait, deadly? No one said anything about being deadly. I think I need to reconsider this. Hello everybody, and we are here with my good friend Brandi. And Brandi's gonna tell us all about these amazing creatures. Just like this one we have here, the amazing Tree Boa.
Actually, this is an Amazon Tree Boa.
Amazon Tree Boa? Well, I was gonna say, I was wondering what was so amazing about a snake you can't see.
Well, that's part of what it does to protect itself and to get its prey.
Really?
Yes.
Like, what kind of prey does this thing eat?
Frogs and bats and...
Wow, bats?
Here, mice or rats.
Mice? That's crazy. Well, that's nuts. So they like hide in the shadows, and then when they come by, they strike. Or what do they do?
Yeah, well, they like to nest in the whys of trees, and that protects them, and they hide there. So predators can't find them, and then their prey can't see them either.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I used to live in a tree, but I never had any problems with any predators getting at me. Do we have any other creatures that we can talk about?
Oh, we have a lot of them.
All right, let's go take a look.
Okay,
all right.
let's go.
Well, hey there, Brandi. Who do we have here? Because this guy looks awfully cute and a little dangerous.
Well, this is King Leo. He's a bearded dragon.
Wait, he's a king? Like of a kingdom?
No, that's just his name.
And did you say dragon? Because I love dragons.
Yep, he's a bearded dragon.
Tell me about this guy.
So the reason they call him a bearded dragon is when they feel threatened or scared, they can puff up their chin, and it looks like a spiky beard.
Whoa, like my beard, kind of?
Yeah, kind of like that.
All right, then.
And he has spikes all over his body, and that keeps predators at bay. They think he's a little scary.
Oh,
now,
really?
he's probably as big as a bearded dragon will get. So as far as lizards go, bearded dragons are kind of small.
Really?
Yep.
Well, I'd like to take him home.
Well, bearded dragons actually make pretty good pets. Some people even take them for walks on a leash.
Really?
Yep.
So you're telling me that I could go get one of these guys and take him for a walk like I do the dog?
Yep, you could.
Oh man, I guess I have to get on there. So are there any other reptiles or amphibians out there that make great pets?
Well, there are some. Those that eat meat aren't as good at pets because they smell more.
Oh,
But ones like
I
this
see.
one that's more salad, herbivore, and insectivore, they don't smell as much. So they're a little bit better.
Well, do you think that you could show me more?
Sure, we could do that.
Awesome. Can I give this guy a little pet before we go?
Sure. He
Yeah.
likes to be petted.
See, his spikes don't even hurt, guys.
No?
All right, let's go check out some more. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, here we are again with another fascinating creature. Hey, Brandi, what is this sausage-looking thing here in the crate there?
This is a blood python.
A blood python? That is a terrifying name.
Yes,
Please,
it is.
tell me more about this magnificent creature.
Well, blood pythons are actually named after the color that they usually are, not because they draw blood.
Oh, well, that's good. That's good. All right, let's
Would you
take
like
a
me
look.
to take him
wait,
out?
Wait, you're taking him out?
I am.
Oh, no. He's not going to, like, attack me, is he?
No.
Do these guys make good pets?
Some people really like them as pets, but I'll have to tell you that they do require a significant amount of care. They eat rats, so there's that.
Rats?
And
Ew, I hate
rats.
rats.
Because they're constrictors, and they're quite smelly.
So not for everybody.
Not for everybody.
All
And
right.
they can live more than 20 years.
20
That's
years?
a long time to keep a pet.
That's a very long time to keep a pet. You said they were stinky. Why are they stinky?
Well, most of the animals that feed on meat are going to be smellier.
I love meat, like hamburgers.
Yeah.
Yeah, do they eat hamburgers?
No.
Oh, well, that's kind of disappointing. Well, okay. Do you mind if I give this guy a little pet too?
Sure, go ahead.
All right. Oh, he's kind of soft.
Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you there.
You're very welcome.
All right, let's move on to the next guy.
Okay.
All right. All right, Brandi. Who is this squishy looking little guy we have here?
This is Piglet. He's a tiger salamander.
Piglet, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, tiger salamander. Does he have claws like a tiger?
No, he does not.
What about teeth like a tiger?
Nope, no teeth.
Ah, so he must be nice then, eh?
He's pretty nice, yep.
All right. Well, tell us what you can about this little guy.
Okay, well, the reason they call him a tiger salamander is because he has stripes kind of like a tiger.
All right.
They're
I like
actually indigenous to this area. They live around here.
stripes. Really? So I could go out in my
North America.
backyard and find one of these things.
Well, you used to be able to find a lot more of them, but this is an amphibian. Do you know what an amphibian is?
I do not. Please tell me.
Okay, so some of the other animals we've seen are reptiles. And reptiles and amphibians are the same in that they're both cold-blooded.
Cold-blooded? What's that mean?
Yeah, that means that they don't generate their own heat.
Oh,
they get
no.
their heat from the environment that they live in.
I'll give them some of my fur to keep them warm.
But one of the big differences between amphibians and reptiles is that amphibians do not have scales or scutes like reptiles. They have smooth skin like this, and they spend part of their lives in water and the other part on land.
Oh, wow.
Tiger salamanders lay their eggs in water, and then after they grow up like this, they live in the dirt near the water.
Oh, wow. Well, he's all dirty. Tell me why he's all dirty.
Because that's where he lives. He likes to burrow in the dirt, and it keeps him nice and cool and moist, and that's where he can find some food.
He likes to play in the dirt.
He does.
That's my kind of lizard there.
I'm going to put him back in his cage.
Sounds good. All right. Well, thank you for showing us him. He is great.
All right, we have reached the end of our journey. However, there is one more creature we need to take a look at. Brandi, can you please tell me who and what this beautiful little creature is?
Yes, this is Astrid. She's a Russian tortoise. See this mark on her shell? She was attacked by a dog.
Oh, wow, a dog?
Yep,
How does that happen?
dogs can be very damaging to turtles.
So how does this happen?
People take their dogs to beaches sometimes and they'll dig up the eggs and eat the baby turtles. And in this case, I'm not sure. Maybe somebody just wasn't watching their dog and it attacked her.
Oh, wow.
And it damaged her shell.
Oh, wow. So, tell us, where did all these animals come from if she was a rescue?
Well, many of them are here from Friends of Scales. They're a rescue for animals like Astrid. So many of them are from there.
Oh, wow. That's very important that we take the time to save some animals.
Yeah, and other ones are their ambassadors so that people get familiar with the animals, like you did today.
Awesome. I like that. People caring about animals.
Yeah,
That's very important.
So the other thing is that Zilla, they supplied all the cages and things that the animals are in.
Oh, Zilla, yeah. That's a great company. It's
Yeah.
very nice of them to donate all the stuff for this exhibit. So, tell me, can anybody go and see this exhibit anywhere?
Nope, it's just here at Burpee Museum of Natural History in Rockford.
And they're all rescues, right?
Most of them.
Most of them, okay. Well, I'm glad that we were able to provide a nice place for these animals to go. And thank you so much, Brandi, for taking the time to show us everything you know about these beautiful creatures. And guys, please come in and see this beautiful exhibit at the Burpee Museum of Natural History in Rockford, Illinois.